Hey everyone, it's Perry Trade. Thank you for tuning in again. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, check out my other videos where I talk more about how I trade. I'm sure they answer some of your questions that you may have. Today is Monday, April 15th. Monday are usually slow for trading, so I don't expect to make any trades. But if I do, it'll be a surprise for me. But I'll be trading the live market today. And just to remind you, I'm not a full-time trader. I have a regular job, so I don't do live commentary on my trades. So instead, I have my laptop on top of the screen, and so I'll look over, and if I have any setups or when I get a signal, then I'll go ahead and open a position at 50 tick with 2 contracts, and once I reach my first contract, I'll adjust my second contract to break even. Sometimes you'll see me move my stop loss closer to the price so I can squeeze out some more profit. I don't, like I said before, I don't look at the chart all day. I just take a quick look and see if there's any good setup. And when I see one, I'll make a trade and then record it. If I have time later, when I get home that evening, I'll go ahead and do a voice of exactly what I'm doing now. So the video, it's not too long, so stick around to see all of the trades and how much money I made. I am trading on my live account, and you can see here I can switch between my sim and live account. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave it on my live account. So right now we're in the live market. So that this video isn't too long, I will speed up the video up to the point where my conditions are starting to develop. Then you will see me open a trade, close a trade, and then we'll start that same process again if I have any setup that develops throughout the trading session. All right, so here is one setup that looks to me is beginning to develop. All I'm waiting for is for one of my indicators to slope up, and it appears that I'm out of a squeeze. So whenever I do put a trade, I put a trade in for 1 tick above or below the current price. So rather than chasing the current price. All right, so since it's now sloping up, so now I'm going to go ahead and put a sell limit order in. So I'm waiting for my profit target to be reached. So my profit target got reached, and also my stop loss. That was a quick profit target that reached. So my stop loss went to break even. As soon as it did, it got hit. So now I went ahead and opened another position since all my conditions are still true. So right now I'm waiting for my first target to be hit. So my first target got hit, and so my second contract moved to break even. So now I'm just waiting. If price goes down even further, and that's great, then my trail would just trail the price. Okay, it looks like it's moving down. My stop loss does move automatically after 50 ticks. Okay, so I just got stopped out, and so now I'm going to go ahead and wait for another setup to develop. Okay, so I'm waiting for, all right, so I went ahead and put in another sell limit order here. Perhaps a little bit too premature. I just got stopped out here, so I'm just waiting for price to move down even further. So also notice that as price moved down, you see my stop loss automatically moves down as well. And once I feel like the trend is nearing, is going to end soon, then I'll push down my stop loss closer to price. But it moves as price moves. My stop loss will move automatically, but sometimes I'll do it. So I just got stopped out here, so now I'm just going to wait for another setup. Okay, so here's another setup. So, all right, so I just put in a sell limit order, one tick below the current price, because all my conditions were all met. All right, so I just got the first target reached. So I'm waiting for price to move down further. Okay, so I just got stopped out there. So I'm just gonna wait for another setup.
So yeah, we're at the end of the trading session. It's 3:45, 3:50. So it looks like I'm not going to have any more setups other than the 3 trades I took this morning. Normally my goal is $1,000 per day, preferably in the morning, so I have the rest of the day free. So again, I want to thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.